I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by inspecting the source and capture chain so you know what baseline to judge. Start playback of the original file and note resolution, frame rate, and codec. This tells you expected detail and motion handling. Once done, confirm the recording bitrate and any camera settings that affect noise and dynamic range, because these set hard limits. Also, make sure you view on a calibrated display with the correct color profile, so what you see reflects the actual file. Next, you perform detailed analysis to separate capture issues from encoding artifacts. Pull up a waveform, vector scope, and histogram to spot clipping, color shifts, or crushed blacks. These explain visual losses. Then scrub at different motion levels to inspect blocking, banding, or mosquito noise so you understand where compression failed. Simultaneously, run objective metrics like PSNR, SSIM, or VMAF, and examine bitrate variation per scene. These numbers explain how quality map. To finish, you compare encoded outputs directly against the original using side-by-side and a /b checks so you can pinpoint visible regressions. If you see artifacts or color shifts, increase bitrate, switch codec profiles, or re-export with different chroma subsampling because those changes address most losses. If things still go wrong, isolate one variable at a time, codec, bitrate, color space, and document each test. This troubleshooting step prevents chasing symptoms instead of the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.